Hello everyone and welcome back to Joda Interior Design. Thank you so much for joining me today in this video. Today we are diving into one of my favorite topics, and that's the gazebo or patio design ideas. Whether you've got a big backyard, a tiny balcony, or just a little outdoor space you are trying to transform, I'm going to share a bunch of tips, styles, and creative touches that will help you create a patio gazebo that feels like you. Think of us just hanging out and chatting about how to turn that outdoor spot into a personal retreat. Let's dive into the video. Now, before we talk furniture or decor, let's start with the basics, and that's the foundation. Flooring options. Concrete is the most common, but you can dress it up with stamped patterns or stains. Pavers and natural stone give a timeless look. Wood decking adds warmth. Gravel is budget-friendly and has that rustic charm. The key is to match the material to your lifestyle. If you've got kids or pets, maybe go for something durable and easy to clean. If you want a modern look, smooth concrete or sleek tiles might be perfect. And let me give you a pro tip here. You can define your patio space with a clear edge, maybe a border of bricks or planters. It gives the space a finished feel. Once your foundation is set, let's talk about your style. Your patio should reflect your personality. Modern and minimalist, clean lines, neutral colors, metal or concrete furniture. Your patio should reflect your personality, so think about vibe that makes you feel at home outdoors. If you love clean lines and simplicity, go for modern and minimalist with the neutral colors, metal or concrete furniture, and a few sleek accessories. If you're after warmth and coziness, a rustic style with wood furniture, lanterns, and a fire pit is a great choice. For a playful, creative feel, go boho with colorful rugs, string lights, woven chairs, and lots of plants. If you're dreaming of Europe, a Mediterranean escape with terracotta pots, mosaic tiles, and olive trees could be perfect. Or if you prefer a vacation vibe, lean into a tropical retreat with bamboo furniture, bold cushions, and lush greenery like palms. Once you pick your style, all your other choices, furniture, lighting, accessories, become so much easier. Now let's get comfy with furniture. Seating is the heart of any patio or gazebo. You can go with sofas, sectionals, or just a set of cozy chairs around a coffee table. If you're working with a smaller space, folding chairs or built-in benches are a smart space-saving move. If you love dining outside, add a bistro table for 2 or larger dining set if you like entertaining guests. If your gazebo is big enough, divide it into zones, maybe a lounging zone or a dining zone, and even a cooking or a grilling zone. This gives structure and flow to the space. Comfort is everything. So don't be afraid of cushions. Throw pillows and outdoor rugs to make it feel like an extension of your living room. And here's a layout tip. Arrange your seating to encourage conversation. A circular setup or an L-shaped arrangement works wonders. Next up, let's talk about shade and comfort. Because nobody wants to sit outside melting in the sun. A pergola is a beautiful way to create shade. But if you're looking for something simple, a large umbrella or a shade sail will do the job. If you love greenery, you can even train climbing plants to grow over a pergola, which gives you a natural leafy canopy. And don't forget about comfort during difficult seasons. If your evenings get chilly, an outdoor heater or fire pit can make your patio cozy year-round. If your area gets really hot, a ceiling fan under your gazebo cover can make a huge difference. Lighting can completely transform your patio or gazebo, especially in the evenings. String lights are a classic choice. You can drape them overhead, weave them along a fence, or frame a pergola. Lanterns and solar lights along pathways add charm and practicality. If you want a cozy romantic mood, candles in glass jars or lanterns work beautifully. For a sleek modern vibe, try LED strip lights under benches, steps or railing. Remember, good lighting not only sets the mood but also extends how long you can enjoy your patio once the sun gets down. Now let's talk about decor and accessories. Here is where your personality really comes through. Outdoor rugs can anchor a sitting area and add color. Wall hangings or outdoor mirrors can make the space feel larger and more stylish. Planters are amazing because you can mix big statement pots with smaller ones for variety. Add cozy layers like throw blankets, colorful cushions, or even a hammock if your space allows. And don't be afraid to bring indoor style items outside. Those are things like tables, posts, or even shelves work beautifully in an outdoor setting. Plants are the easiest way to bring life to a patio. If you want privacy, go with the tall plants like bamboo or palms. Herbs in pots are not only cute but also super practical for cooking. If you're short on space, vertical gardens or hanging planters are fantastic. And here's a design trick. Mix different plant heights and textures. Pair tall flower pots with hanging plants and smaller tabletops succulents. This adds depth and interest to your gazebo. Now, when you think of your personal touches, let's talk about personal touches, right? This is where you really make the patio yours. It could be as simple as a DIY painted table, handmade planters, or maybe souvenirs from your travels. Even choosing a color scheme you love gives the space your personal stamp. Remember, patios and gazebos aren't just outdoor spots. They are extensions of your home and your personality. So go ahead, play around with styles, add comfort, bring in plants and light it up. Make it a space where you actually want to spend time. Whether that's relaxing with a coffee, entertaining friends, or just enjoying some fresh air. And there you have it, guys. Lots of patio and gazebo design ideas to spark your creativity. Remember, it doesn't matter if your space is big or small. What matters is that it feels welcoming and enjoyable for you. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more home design inspiration. And let me know in the comment section what's your dream patio vibe. Modern, rustic, tropical, or something else. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, happy patio designing, and click on the video that's showing on the screen. Cheers, guys.